Hi, it's David Ligon of Ligon Media. I wanted to show you quickly the difference that using sound effects can make. Here's the opening sequence we did for some quick tip videos for Chris Catering. The first one I'll play without sound. As you can see, it's a nice little intro, but it's really lacking. Okay, now check out the same video with just a few sound effects. By adding a few sound effects and a little music, it really makes a world of difference. I'll play them one more time back to back so you can see the difference. Alright, thanks for watching, and please continue to read my posts at ligonmedia.com.